Hi to all, welcome to my class number 7 on squares and square roots. Today I am going to discuss finding the square root by division method. Let us find the square root of 729. The first step is place a bar over every pair of numbers starting from unit place. So first pair we can take it as 29. Here there is no pair, only one digit is there, so we have to place a bar over 7 also. Now consider the number under the extreme left bar, that is 7. Now find out a number whose square is less than or equal to 7. That is, you know that 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. 9 is greater than 7. So the number which is whose square is less than 7 is 2. Now take 2 as a divisor and quotient and 7 as the dividend. Now divide it. 2 2s are 4. Then subtract. You will get a 3 as the remainder. Now what you have to do is you have to bring down the number in the next bar. That is, you have to write 29 here. Now the new dividend is equal to 329. Now double the divisor, that is 2 2s are 4. Now write 4 as a divisor here with a blank on its right. Now you have to write a number here. The same you have to write in the quotient also. That is, for example, if you write 2 in the blank space, the same 2 you have to write in the quotient. Now you have to multiply this 2 with the 42 and the number should be less than or equal to 329. But 42 into 2 you get it as 84, and which is less than 329. So try for another number. You have to write the largest possible number here, so that when you multiply this the same number with the number written here, it should be less than 300, less than or equal to 329. How will you find it out? Here 2 is not possible because 42 into 2 is 84. So we can remove 2. There is an easy way. Consider this number 4 and 32. The first number and the first 2 digits in the dividend. Now in 32, how many times 4 was? Yes, you know, 4 8s are 32. So write 8 here and 8 in the quotient. So you get 8 in the blank space, means divisor will become 48 and the quotient place the number will be 8. Now you multiply 48 into 8. What will you get? Yes, it is 384. But 384 is greater than 329. So we cannot take 8 as a divisor here. So take 1 less than 8, that is 7. If you take 7 here, the divisor will be 47 and the quotient will be 7. Do multiply 7 into 47. What will you get? 47 into 7, you get it as 329. That is the same number you are getting. So in this blank space you can write it as 7. Write 7 in the divisor, 7 in the quotient. Now multiply 7 into 47, you are getting 329. Now subtract, you are getting 0. So since you got 0 as the remainder and no other number to bring down, 27 is the square root of 729. So we can write square root of 729 is equal to 27. Here is your exercise 6.4. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. The first question 2304. We have to place a bar over 0, 4 and 23. Now proceed as we discussed in this class. Here is the answers. Do verify yourself. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.